Hello, I'm Srilata, Chief Dietitian, Medicover Hospitals. Today we'll be talking about the health benefits of flaxseed oil. So among the all oil seeds, flax seeds are supposed to be one of the excellent oil seeds. So basically in market, we do get 4 varieties of flax seeds available. It is the flaxseed whole. We also have the ground one. We have the oil of flax seeds. We have the defatted meal of flax seeds. So whichever variety you want to use, whether it is a meal or a ground powder or the whole ones, there are certain things that we need to bear in our mind. So basically the health benefits of these flax seeds are multiple. Usually the nutritional composition of it has around 443 kilocalories of energy, around 18 grams of protein and 35 grams of fat. You need to understand that this is high in fat, but in a healthy fat. The fatty acid composition, mostly it has more than 57% of alpha-linolenic acid and 16% of LA, linolenic acid. It has good amounts of fiber, lignins and antioxidants. So it is a very good source of soluble fiber. Around 43 grams of soluble fiber is present and around 5 grams of insoluble fiber is present in the flax seeds. So what is the medicinal property we have in this? It will reduce the body cholesterol because of its good fatty acids and the high fiber content. It is very high in potassium. Around 455 milligrams of potassium is present, and also because of the fiber, it lowers the blood sodium, and it will help in excretion of the blood sodium and thus lowers the blood pressure and maintains the blood pressures. It also keeps the blood sugars under control because of its high fiber content. It aids in passing a soft stool because of its soft soluble fiber. Apart from that, it has an anti-ulcer activity which is proven in many studies. It also acts as an anti-atherogenic. Because of the omega-3 fatty acid, it will not allow the fat plaques to settle in the cardiac arteries. Apart from that, it has got many health benefits, like it lowers the weight, excess body fat. It lowers all the bad cholesterol. It helps in keeping your blood sugars under control, blood pressures under control. It lowers your ulcer activity or your acidity. So apart from this, it is a very good source of omega-3 fatty acids for vegetarians. Non-vegetarians get their omega-3 fatty acid from fish, but vegetarians has to depend upon flax seeds for their omega-3 fatty acid. So it has multiple loads of health benefits on us. So what we can do is we can just roast them, take 1 or 2 teaspoons every day. We can add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of flax seeds and take it after dinner or after lunch every day. This will help in lot of health benefits. Otherwise, you could prepare a chutney of it, or you could add the chutney powder of it. In dosa, idli, pesarattu, we can just roast these seeds, crush them along with the spices and condiments, prepare a chutney powder or a fresh chutney. Or even we can add it in our recipes like your roti and any other curry powders we can use. Or we can even make laddus or barfi with the flax seeds. There are a lot of health benefits for all the age groups of people. So we can incorporate them in our daily diet, at least 2 to 3 teaspoons happily. So this is going to have a very good health impact on us. Thank you.